So something really interesting came up in the Facebook page Alberta Billiards, posted by James Wiebe. It was the VNEA rule for push shots, okay? Now, I'm just gonna take you back to when most of us started, or a lot of people that are watching this video, they started, myself included. 95, 96 was the first year I ever played League, and it was Walmac, VNEA, and back then, when you had something like this, which is absolutely frozen, you had to raise it up 45 degrees, right? And even then, if you didn't do it properly and you hit right at it, it could still be a push, right? Depending on how the cue ball fluttered forward. Well, now, reading that rule that James posted, are they saying that push shots are allowed? No, a push shot is an illegal shot. However, this shot right here, you don't have to raise your cue up to 45 degrees anymore. And I mean, there's videos on YouTube proving that you're not pushing through, or so they say. I want to do it my way. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to shoot this at 240 frames a second. And then on top of that, I'm going to take it into my editing software. And by my math, I can slow that down to 12.5% of its original slow-mo. I have no idea how slow this is going to be. And I basically want to show if my tip is staying on the cue ball even a millisecond longer than when there is no ball frozen. Okay, Mike Wassilou, very accomplished referee, his explanation is when you hit right at it, you're not feeling the push, you're just feeling the extra weight of this ball here. That's what you're feeling. You're not feeling a push. The way my brain works, I just need to prove this for myself. So that's what we're going to do today, right? We are not, and I have no idea why this comes up, we are not talking about double hits. Double hits is a completely different topic, right? Double hits, it's impossible to double hit if the balls are frozen, okay? If there's a gap, I'm going to do a quick double hit, right? You aim right at it, and this is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to show you the slow-mo there, okay? And it's going to be my tip basically hitting that cue ball twice because of that little gap. However, when balls are frozen, like so, it's impossible to double hit, okay? So I'm going to hit this at a consistent pace as my next shot. So here we go. 2 balls frozen. Okay. There was 2 balls frozen. And now I'm going to just shoot this cue ball at the same pace. Okay, and now I'm going to bring them up in slow motion and see if this tip stays on the cue ball any longer if I have a frozen ball on it, okay? Well, I stand corrected. Taking a look at that footage there, I thought for sure that my tip would stay on it just a hair longer. And I was ready to argue that, you know what? Why do we have to complicate things? But it doesn't stay on there longer. So yeah, should totally be a legal shot. So this whole time, I'm flipping sides here. I think it's a good well, it is a good shot. I just proved it to myself. I had to do it myself, okay? I know other people have shot it. Dr. Dave, he's always ahead of the curve. But here's the thing now. What do you do as a player? Okay, watching this video, do you go down to Vegas? Do you look for, like, I know if I go down to Vegas and this ever happens, I'm not calling the ref. I'm not saying anything. I'm just going to call it in the corner. And, you know, I might have to shoot offline a little bit, but I'm going to push through and it's going to go in, hopefully. And they're going to call foul on me because a lot of people are not going to know this rule. And I'm going to say, no, that's not a push. And the battle will be on. Tempers will raise. They'll call a ref over. In the end, it goes to the shooter, which is me anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do from now on. If it ever presents itself, I'm just going to do that. It'll be fun. Anyways, I hope to see you down in Vegas. In the meantime and in between time, I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.